So give some airtime to Krishna. This is the karuna of Krishna, the compassion and the affection of Krishna. As I mentioned the other day about the devotee who was fully engaged in cooking for the Thakurji in the temple, and Prabhupada told his disciple, the disciple said, Guruji, I don't have time to chant any japa. From 3 a.m. to 11 p.m., I'm cooking and chopping up coal and preparing the stove for the cooking and cleaning, and which is true. He's not lying. He's a brahmachari living in the ashram. So Prabhupada told, this is a repeat as you know, he said, okay, forget about the japa, do your seva to the Thakurji. I want you to do this. You're a good cook, you're Bengali, you're expert, and you cook with a lot of love and devotion. And you're fully absorbed from the time you wake up until you sleep in Krishna seva. What more? You'll get perfection just by this. So that beautiful devotee, that wonderful Shuddha Bhakta, Vibhu Chaitanya, we met him, we heard him chanting, and we took his Mahaprasad from Thakurji. And he spent his life like that, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then he died in ashram, and he went back to he went to the spiritual world. Because he had the blessings of Guru, and he carried out the order of Guru. This is the mercy of Krishna. So where was his beads? Where was his Mangalarti? Where was his anything?